Viji Varadarajan's YouTube channel will portray the cultural lifestyle in a Tamil home. For centuries, these Tamil homemakers were unpretentious, diligent, and completely devoted to their simple life. Everything was homegrown, with vegetables and herbs from the garden that were creatively transformed into healthy and delicious dishes in their kitchens. This uncomplicated, traditional lifestyle laid the cornerstone for a code of living that is unparalleled to this day. In fact, there is now an increased resurgence to simply get back to the basics. This means growing your own vegetables and enjoying a healthy life prescribed by our ancestors. Viji's family has always supported her passion for this cuisine and her intent to share it with the world. This is essentially a garden-to-kitchen concept. Watch this author's YouTube channel where she creates simple and tasty dishes that can be mastered by anyone in any part of this world.